Today we are diving into something quite unusual in the cruise world. The Resilient Lady is a name that has been floating around cruise enthusiasts' conversations, yet when you try to find concrete information about this vessel, you hit a wall. This mysterious ship appears to be either a well-kept secret, a future announcement waiting to happen, or perhaps a case of mistaken identity in the vast ocean of cruise ship names. What makes this particularly intriguing is how a ship name can generate buzz without any official presence online. The absence of information about Resilient Lady raises some fascinating questions about the cruise industry. Major cruise lines typically announce new vessels years in advance, complete with detailed specifications, deck plans, and marketing campaigns. Yet here we have a name that seems to exist in a vacuum. It could be a placeholder name for a ship still in development, a private yacht mistaken for a commercial cruise vessel, or even a ship that changed names during its planning phase. What we can say with certainty is that no major cruise line currently operates a ship called Resilient Lady. Virgin Voyages has their series of Lady ships, but Resilient Lady is not among them. Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, Carnival, and other major operators have no record of this vessel either. This creates an interesting mystery in an industry where information typically flows freely. When it comes to accommodations on cruise ships, passengers generally expect certain standard categories, and if Resilient Lady were to exist, it would likely follow similar patterns. Most modern cruise ships offer inside staterooms for budget-conscious travelers, providing comfortable sleeping arrangements without ocean views but often featuring virtual balconies or innovative lighting systems to create a sense of openness. These rooms typically include modern amenities like flat-screen televisions, efficient storage solutions, and compact but functional bathrooms. Ocean view staterooms would presumably offer guests the luxury of natural light and sea views through portholes or picture windows. These cabins often provide the same square footage as inside rooms but with the added benefit of watching the ocean pass by. Many cruise lines have upgraded these rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows and improved layouts to maximize the view experience. Balcony staterooms represent the sweet spot for many cruisers, offering private outdoor space where guests can enjoy morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the sunset. Modern balcony cabins often feature sliding glass doors, comfortable outdoor furniture, and privacy partitions. Some ships have introduced innovative balcony designs, including virtual balconies with real-time ocean views displayed on large screens. Suite accommodations would likely represent the pinnacle of luxury aboard any ship named Resilient Lady. These spacious accommodations typically include separate living areas, premium amenities, priority services, and sometimes even butler service. Many modern suites feature multiple balconies, walk-in closets, marble bathrooms with soaking tubs, and access to exclusive areas of the ship like private sun decks or specialty restaurants. Dining experiences form the heart of any cruise vacation, and modern ships typically offer an impressive variety of culinary options. A ship like Resilient Lady would presumably feature a main dining room serving international cuisine with rotating menus showcasing different regions of the world. These venues often provide elegant atmospheres with attentive service and multi-course meals that rival fine restaurants on land. Specialty dining restaurants have become standard on modern cruise ships, offering everything from authentic Italian trattorias to sophisticated steakhouses. Asian fusion restaurants featuring sushi bars and teppanyaki grills provide interactive dining experiences, while French bistros and Mediterranean tavernas transport guests to different culinary cultures. Many ships now include molecular gastronomy restaurants where chefs create artistic presentations using innovative cooking techniques. Casual dining options would likely include expansive buffet restaurants with international stations, poolside grills serving fresh seafood and barbecue, and grab-and-go venues for quick snacks between activities. Coffee shops and gelato stands provide perfect spots for afternoon treats, while room service ensures guests can enjoy meals in the privacy of their staterooms at any hour. Bar and beverage programs on modern cruise ships have evolved into sophisticated operations featuring craft cocktails, wine tastings, and specialty coffee preparations. Sports bars with large screens create social atmospheres for watching games, while quiet wine bars offer intimate settings for romantic evenings. Many ships now include rooftop bars with panoramic ocean views and innovative cocktail programs featuring local ingredients from ports of call. Pool areas serve as central gathering spaces on cruise ships, and any vessel worth its salt would feature multiple aquatic venues to suit different preferences. The main pool area typically includes a large swimming pool surrounded by comfortable loungers and shaded areas for those seeking relief from the sun. These spaces often feature swim-up bars where guests can enjoy tropical drinks without leaving the water. Adults-only pool areas have become increasingly popular, providing quiet retreats where grown-ups can relax without the energy of family activities. These spaces often feature more sophisticated design elements, premium seating options, and elevated service levels. Some ships include infinity pools that create the illusion of water extending into the ocean horizon. Water features beyond traditional pools might include splash zones for families, water slides for thrill seekers, and therapeutic hot tubs positioned to offer stunning ocean views. Many modern ships incorporate interactive water elements like fountains and spray features that provide cooling relief while adding visual interest to the pool areas. Sun deck spaces extend beyond pool areas to include quiet corners for reading, yoga platforms for morning stretches, and jogging tracks that circle the ship's perimeter. These outdoor spaces often feature innovative shade structures that provide relief from intense sun while maintaining open-air atmospheres that connect guests with the ocean environment. Onboard activities represent the soul of cruise entertainment, transforming sea days from potential boredom into adventure-filled experiences. Fitness centers on modern ships rival premium land-based gyms, featuring state-of-the-art cardio equipment with ocean views, comprehensive weight training areas, and group fitness studios offering everything from high-intensity interval training to peaceful yoga sessions. Many ships now include outdoor fitness areas where guests can exercise while enjoying fresh ocean air. Sports facilities might include basketball courts that convert to volleyball or tennis courts, rock climbing walls with multiple difficulty levels, and mini-golf courses with creative themes. Some ships feature surf simulators where guests can learn to ride artificial waves, while others include skydiving simulators that provide the thrill of freefall without leaving the ship. Entertainment venues would likely showcase Broadway-style productions, comedy clubs featuring both established and emerging performers, and music venues ranging from intimate jazz lounges to high-energy dance clubs. Many ships now include immersive entertainment experiences using virtual reality technology or interactive gaming that engages guests in unique ways. Educational activities often include cooking classes led by executive chefs, wine tasting seminars with certified sommeliers, and cultural presentations about upcoming ports of call. Art auctions, dance lessons, and technology workshops provide opportunities for guests to learn new skills while enjoying their vacation time. Spa and wellness facilities have evolved into comprehensive health and relaxation destinations that rival the world's finest resort spas. Treatment menus typically include traditional massages, facials using premium skincare products, and body wraps incorporating ingredients from destinations visited during the cruise. Many spas now offer couples treatment rooms where partners can enjoy side-by-side services in romantic settings. Thermal facilities often include saunas with different temperature and humidity levels, steam rooms infused with aromatherapy scents, and relaxation lounges with heated ceramic chairs. Some ships feature thalassotherapy pools using seawater for therapeutic treatments, while others include salt rooms where guests can breathe mineral-rich air believed to provide respiratory benefits. Wellness programs extend beyond traditional spa treatments to include comprehensive fitness assessments, nutritional consultations, and meditation workshops. Many ships now offer specialized wellness cruises featuring renowned health experts, cooking demonstrations focused on healthy cuisine, and fitness boot camps that challenge participants while providing motivation and support. Beauty services typically include full-service salons offering haircuts, styling, manicures, and pedicures using premium products. Some spas feature medical spa services like Botox treatments and laser therapies, allowing guests to combine vacation relaxation with cosmetic enhancements in luxurious settings. Family-friendly cruise ships dedicate significant resources to creating magical experiences for younger guests through comprehensive kids clubs and teen programs. Children's areas typically include age-appropriate play zones with climbing structures, interactive games, and creative spaces for arts and crafts activities. These venues often feature themes that capture young imaginations while providing safe, supervised environments where parents can feel comfortable leaving their children. Teen programs recognize the unique needs of adolescent travelers by providing spaces that feel sophisticated without being adult-oriented. Teen lounges often include gaming areas with the latest video game systems, dance floors for impromptu parties, and quiet zones for socializing or using mobile devices. Many ships organize teen-specific activities like scavenger hunts, talent shows, and sports tournaments that encourage social interaction and friendly competition. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.